Hey everyone! Big thanks to our new subscribers for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit that button to stay updated with the latest and hottest car accessories on Amazon. And if you like the item featured in this video, you'll find the product link down below. In this video, we're showcasing the hottest Chevrolet Equinox accessories topping Amazon's bestseller list. From sleek upgrades to must-have add-ons, see what's trending. Let's go. Car. Cover for Chevrolet Equinox / GMC Terrain, 2005 to 2026. Visor rain guards. Compatible with 20, 25, 20, 26. Chevrolet Equinox. Windshield sunshade for 2025-2026 Chevy Equinox. Silicone center console organizer for 2025 to 2026 Chevy Equinox. Tempered glass. Screen protector for Equinox. Premier 2018 to 2024. Floor mats and cargo liners and backrest mat for 2025, 2026. Chevy Equinox. Cap and Shield Tethered 2.375-inch ID. Cabin air filter with activated carbon. Compatible with Chevy Equinox 2018 to 2024. TPMS. Sensor, 315 megahertz. Tire pressure monitoring sensor. Compatible for Chevy Equinox. 2007 to 2022. Three pieces. Carbon fiber anti-skid steering wheel cover. Hey there! Got a suggestion for my next video? Drop it in the comments. Your ideas drive this channel. See you in the comments.
Stay updated on Amazon's best automotive products and viral finds. Click subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss out on our latest video.